So there is a place for humor in the workplace, but we did challenge that prevailing assumption by applying a psychological theory called benign violations theory, which basically suggests that in order for something to be humorous, it has to violate a norm, but in a non-threatening kind of way. It's important to recognize that as a leader, you are a role model. People look to you to infer information about their context. And if you are constantly joking around with them, they may infer that the violation of norms is okay. That it's important for you as a leader to be sensitive to the fact that other people might not interpret your joke in the same way that you intended it. So recognize that humor is in the eye of the beholder. As leaders, we tend to exhibit certain tendencies to use certain types of humor. If you use self-deprecating humor or affiliative humor that brings people together, that can be very good for trust building. But we found that if you are more aggressive or if you tease or ridicule your employees, it's really important to think about what the effects on employees are going to be, what you're signaling to them about ridiculing and teasing other people. So humor can be a good thing, but be careful how you use it.